ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong difference of the Rolex Explorer 1 and Explorer 2. What's up guys? Another day. Andito tayo on desk review na naman tayo. I have here right now the Explorer 1. This is a 39mm. Meron din 36mm nito. Pero this one on my hand right now is the 39mm. So ayan siya guys. So this is the Rolex Explorer 1 reference 214270. Next naman natin of course, Explorer 2. Boom! Explorer 2 features a GMT or tinatawag natin na Greenwich Mean Time. Kasi nga, ito tells another 2 time zones ang kayang gawin ng Explorer 2 natin. Yun yung kinaganda nito. And not only that, Explorer 2 is the most iconic Rolex na features a white dial. The first generation, reference number nito, 216570. And the next generation, what's 2020 up to 2024, is a 226570 na. Main difference between the both, of course, mas simple itong Explorer 1, which is one of my favorite watches. It sits on the wrist really good. Ito naman guys, maganda rin siya, but this one features a 42mm case, so medyo malaki siya. And makikita mo yung bezel, it has a 24-hour marker siya. So diyan nakatutok yung GMT natin kasi 24 hours yung movement ng GMT. So wrist check naman tayo. The Explorer 1 39mm, one of my favorite to guys. Totoo lang. Sarap talaga. So medyo malaki lang siya, so I'll pull it here. Pero ayan. Ganyan siya guys kung makikita nyo. Next is the Explorer 2 naman. Wrist check, right? Wrist check, wrist check. For this one naman, the first generation is around more or less 500 to 550,000. And yung 226570 naman is umaabot ng 600 plus. This 39mm goes, ay complete papers na to, goes for around 400 to 430,000 pesos. So that's it. If I were to choose, I'd go for the Explorer 1.